Unique water jelly texture, feels fresh, penetrates quickly. Oil-free formula is non-sticky, leaves no residue. An unbelievably lightweight, water jelly that delivers 24-hour hydration repair plus pollution protection. Skin type, dry. This hydrating jelly is a lightweight, water jelly that delivers 24-hour hydration repair plus pollution protection. Strengthens skin's moisture barrier and improves resiliency. Skin is left smooth, strong and healthy with a pure, clean glow. Top reviews from the United States. Good to have. I recently added this cream to my skincare routine and I absolutely love it. My skin is typically dry and very sensitive to products, but with just a thin layer of this cream, it looks and feels so rejuvenated.